In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. You need to begin by opening Gallery app and selecting Photos section at the bottom left corner, or Albums at the bottom in the middle. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, just hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of, and then click on Select All at the bottom next to Create. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected. In order to exclude some of them, click on the chosen ones. Then, to delete the rest, click on Delete at the bottom next to Create as well. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!